name's Jeff. I'll show you amazing construction machines. Here comes the first vehicle. This is a wheel loader. Wheel, mirror, door opened. A wheel loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction mainly for uploading materials into trucks. Bucket up. Bucket down. This is a road roller. A road roller is a vehicle equipped with heavy, wide, mostly smooth rollers. Drum. Roller drums are available in widths ranging from the width of a small sidewalk to the width of a highway lane. It's a bulldozer. Door opened. Ripper lowered. The ripper is the long claw-like device on the back of the bulldozer. Blade lowered. Engine. A bulldozer is a tracked tractor used to push large quantities of soil, sand or rubble during construction and then to flatten areas of ground. It is a concrete mixer truck. Special concrete mixer trucks are made to transport and mix concrete up to construction sites. Wipers. Revolving drum. The revolving drum combines cement, sand and water to form concrete. This is an articulated hauler. An articulated hauler is a type of dump truck used to transport loads over rough terrain. Open box bed is raised. Open box bed is lowered. It is a mobile crane. A mobile crane is a type of machine that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. Outriggers extended. Now you can raise the boom. You have to lower the boom first. This is a tracked excavator. An excavator is a heavy construction equipment used for digging, material handling, river dredging, and demolitions. Backhoe. A backhoe is the main tool of the digger, used to dig up hard, compact material, usually earth, or to lift heavy loads, such as a sewer box. This is a grader. A grader is a construction machine with a long blade, used to create a flat surface. Door opened. Wipers. Blade. Grader's blades are usually 2 times wider than bulldozer's blades. This is a haul truck. Haul truck is the largest, highest payload capacity type of dump truck. These machines are specifically engineered for use in large surface mines, quarries, and heavy-duty construction applications. It's a compactor. compactor is a machine used to reduce the size of different materials through stress and compaction. Door opened. Engine. Tamping wheel. A tamping wheel is the heart of any compaction system. Basically, it's a steel wheel with tapered pads.